In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple Zaps at once in Zapier. This process is straightforward and can save you a lot of time if you find yourself needing to clean up your list of Zaps efficiently. Whether you're decluttering or simply trying to manage your active Zaps more effectively, follow along closely and we'll breeze through this together. First, let's head over to the main dashboard of your Zapier account. Here, you'll typically find an overview of all the assets you've created, including apps, tasks, and of course, Zaps. What we want to do is locate the section where all your Zaps are organized. So go ahead and click on the Assets tab. This is your gateway to manage the different components of your Zapier environment efficiently. Now that you're in the right place, direct your attention to the segment labeled Zaps. This section will list out every Zap that you've created, both active and inactive. It's essentially your command center for workflow automation. Navigating through this list, you can view the details of each Zap if needed, but for our aim here, we're going to focus on selecting multiple Zaps for deletion. To select the Zaps you wish to delete, you'll need to use the checkbox found on the right side of each Zaps entry. This allows you to choose multiple Zaps at once. Simply click on the checkboxes next to the Zaps you want to remove. You'll notice that as you start checking these boxes, the interface may highlight or mark them, indicating that they are selected and ready for action. Once you've selected all the Zaps you intend to delete, it's time to proceed with the deletion itself. Look for a button labeled Delete that should appear once Zaps are selected. It's usually found towards the bottom or the side of your screen. Clicking on this button will prompt you to confirm your decision. You might see a message warning you that this action is irreversible, which means once these Zaps are deleted, they cannot be recovered. Therefore, make certain that you truly wish to delete these Zaps from your list before proceeding. After confirming your choice, Zapier will process your request and remove the selected Zaps from your account. This may take a few moments, especially if you're deleting a large number of Zaps simultaneously. You'll know the process is complete when the Zaps vanish from your list, indicating a successful deletion. By following these steps, you've effectively streamlined your workflow and ensured that your Zapier dashboard is tidy and organized, which also helps in maximizing your productivity. This method not only saves you time, but also keeps your automated processes running smoothly by reducing